Welcome to eP2P Application User Tutorial Guide. In this tutorial, user will be guided on how to apply a training request form application. First, go to eForms and select the training request form. The user must enter all required info for the new training program applied. Fill in the program name and description. After choosing the provider or organizer, enter the venue where the training will take place. Choose the date for how many days training is conducted and the amount of time for the training. Then, insert the program fee, put 0.00 if there is no fees, and upload attachment like brochure or poster in attachment option if necessary. Lastly, insert HRDF % and classification. After filling out the training program details, users can click Next to preview and ensure all details are correct. Clicking the blue attachment logo opens the attached file. Then, users can press the Next button to proceed to the submitting area, where they can click Finish to submit the form. Once submitted, users will receive a notification confirming that the application has been successfully submitted. The request will then be forwarded to the user's superior for recommendation. Thank you.